Hello, it's Nathan Watson. We're here at Hawkstone Park for round 6 of the World Enduro Super Series.
It's cool to be here in front of my home crowd, you know, with the fans here. They're all out on the track today, like shouting and waving and that, so it's really cool and it does spur you on.
So this place got some crazy history when it comes to motorcycle racing, so it's super cool that we get to race here. The track always gets super rough, so it's a tough race. It's a tough 2.5 hours.
So day one is a sprint enduro. So we have an enduro test where we do 4 laps, and then we have a motocross test where we do 4 laps on that. And your times are combined for your starting position for day 2.
Yeah, it's been a really good day. We had good weather and the track conditions were perfect and ended up winning, so it's a great start for tomorrow.
On day 2, it's a 2.5 hour multi-lap race. It's going to be really hard because the track's so rough.
The most important day is the second day, the cross-country day, and yeah, it's 2.5 hour race, and it's a really tough race because the track becomes destroyed really fast. So yeah, it's a long race.
I had pretty much a perfect weekend at my home GP here in the UK. I ended up winning the sprint yesterday in the sunshine, which was a really good day for me, and then felt a lot of pressure today coming into this 2.5 hour cross-country race, but got a good start and got a gap and just rode smooth and managed to take the win, so really happy to do this on home soil in front of my family and my friends.